Hello viewers! Welcome to our channel Gags and Jay. Here we share some simple and mouth-watering recipes on weekly basis. Today we'll be sharing this dahi bhalla recipe with you all. I hope you people will like it. So let's get started.
So we'll be first preparing tamarind paste. Sorry, tamarind chutney. For that we'll be adding 200 grams of tamarind paste. If you're not having any sort of paste of tamarind, you can take a tamarind and you can keep it in boiled water for some time, and after that you can extract the paste out of it. Add some 50 ml of water and cook it well. We let it boil for some time. This recipe of chutney is very easy according to me. It will hardly take like 10-15 minutes if you are having a ready-made tamarind paste. The whole procedure will hardly take 45 minutes, and it might sound very tough that dahi vada is very difficult to prepare, but somehow in my personal experience I somehow feel that it is one of the easiest recipes out here. You can add some more water to make it a very smooth paste, or smooth consistency. Now time to add some 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and make sure that it should be roasted. First you have to roast the jeera, and after that you will grind it and make it a fine powder out of it. So we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder as well, and chili flakes is totally optional. If you like it spicy, I don't like it that much spicy, so I'll hardly use 1 teaspoon of chili flakes or chili powder. If you like it spicy, then you can add more of it. अगर आपको हमारा रेसिपी अच्छा लगा तो आप प्लीज क्या बोलते हैं सब्सक्राइब सॉरी पार्डन मी. Let it boil for some time. After that we'll be adding similar quantity of jaggery powder. It should be of 1 cup. We used 1 cup of tamarind paste, so you can use a bit more of jaggery powder. The amount of jaggery powder should be more than the tamarind paste, so that the sweet taste is there. चटनी तो यार मीठी अच्छी लगती है ना, किसी को नमकीन चटनी तो अच्छी नहीं लगती. For that, add some more jaggery powder. You can add handful of some soaked raisins. I don't like raisins, but for my family I have to add it. Yeah. Look at the chutney. Now the chutney is ready, and you can store it for like 2-3 months as well. It can be used in many recipes, by the way. Now we'll prepare the vada batter. For that we'll be soaking 1.5 cup of urad ki dal for like 3 hours. At least 3 hours is necessary to soak some water. So after that we'll be grinding it. Along with it, we'll add a pinch of asafoetida, which is hing, to add a bit of flavor into it. Add some water to it and make a smooth batter. Like, it should not be very smooth, but it should be of like a thick paste. You can see the consistency here. Make sure it's not too watery or smooth. Otherwise, the vada won't hold that shape and it will fall apart. See the consistency. Make sure the consistency is not too watery and not too hard. Now we'll be preparing some salt water, so that after preparing vada, we'll be soaking it into that salt water. We'll be heating a pan and we'll be adding water. No, we'll be adding some oil into it. सरसों का तेल मत यूज कीजिएगा, रिफाइंड ऑयल यूज करना है. सब्जी नहीं पक रही है, दही वड़ा है. Now we'll be adding the batter, small scoops of batter. Make sure the oil is heated enough, otherwise they'll soak a lot amount of oil. मुझे थोड़ी खाने की जल्दी थी तो मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा ही जोश में जल्दी डाल दिया. आप ऐसी गलती ना करें. बहुत गर्मी थी, by God. Make sure it's golden brown in color. अटक गई, निकल जा. And see, tada, the vadas are ready. Now we'll be adding this vada into the salt water so that osmosis happens and the vada soaks some salt water. Sorry for the technicality. See, the vadas are ready. So you should actually scoop out some excess water out of vada. Don't press it too hard and put your frustration on those vadas. Those are too soft to handle your pressure. So you should drain a bit less of water. Make sure that it's watery as well from inside. It should be juicy. Drain out excess water and keep it aside. अगर बीच में एक आध खाने का मन हो तो वो खा सकते हैं आप. It's very tasty, by the way. मैंने तो खाया था, आपकी इच्छा है. Now it's time to whip the curd. Make sure you whip the curd so much that it's very smooth and curdling doesn't happen, because if the curd is not smooth then it won't look good and it won't have that dahi vada taste. Now we'll be adding 3/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder and 1 tablespoon of roasted jeera powder. Mix it well. You can add spices according to you. These dry spices should be added according to your mood. Add some bit of water to make it a smooth curd solution. Don't make it too watery. Whip it properly. Now we'll be adding that whipped curd into those vadas so that those vadas soak some curd water. Look at the dahi vada. मुझे भूख लग गई है. I hope आपको भी लगी होगी. Now add some red chili powder for garnishing purpose and some more red chili powder. Make sure ये हाथ अपने चेहरे पे ना लगाए. मैंने लगाया था, अफसोस है मुझे उस चीज का. आप ऐसी गलती ना करें. You can add some roasted jeera powder as well. It adds a good taste to dahi vada. And last but not the least, add some prepared beautiful imli ki chutney.
We'll meet again next week with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.